So, hello, welcome to the channel, welcome back to the channel. It's me, the Philbilly, if you're new. If you don't, if you're not new, it's me again, hello. So, you join me, I'm in the wagon, the ERF, and I have been going through a quick list from what I've seen, what I need to do, what I've written down here. And I found if I don't write stuff down, I end up going off on a massive tangent. First off, air leaks. We do have a couple of air leaks on it, which I know of and I knew of when I bought it. And it's an old wagon, everything has air already dropped its wind off. And I only just moved it. That's number one, air leaks. I don't know if I need to bleed the clutch or not. It's also an air assisted clutch. Could be that the air leaks aren't helping. Air tank straps, they're quite a big one. I need air tank straps all around. And also I need a couple of cradles for them. Or I don't know where you can buy them, or I might have to make them. Air tank straps, I found the size I need. I know I can get a hold of them easy enough. They're actually a Scania one. And to be honest, the Scania ones look quite nice when they're on anyway. They fit nicely. Fuel tank straps and fuel tank. I've already started cleaning the fuel tank off. I'm going to use a steel tank instead of buying an alley tank. It's a lot cheaper, and it's also genuine ERF tank. It needs fuel tank straps and a fuel tank a fuel sender unit, because it doesn't have a sender unit in, as I think I pointed out in the video. Final one is proving a little bit more. Ep.2 exhaust, rear lights. Rear lights, I've ordered a set. I've ordered the lights. They're like a copy of a universal style, which should be similar to what was on this to start with. 30 quid posted for a pair. So, let's try them. Need mud wings, definitely. Needle gun the chassis. Inside the chassis, a little bit scabby and spot. Let's go out and show you the crack so far. Oh, and also, I need to adjust that handle. Front mud guards. I need these stays. These stays are rotten. I can either get some new ones, or try and find some, or make some. Fuel tank straps, obviously these ones were chopped off, so scrap. Exhaust stays, as I was saying, I've already made the brackets up and mounted the stays for the Ep.2, which holds this stay for the side-to-side movement, and there's a one goes down onto a gearbox mount holds for the forward-backward stay motion. I've put some oil in the interloop pot. Air leaks, there's an air leak from here. Mud wings, need mud wings obviously. I think I've just sorted some of them out. The chassis inside's a bit tired, so I really want to get the fifth wheel off, which will utilise the F7 of the crane to get them off. Mud wing stays, I need to get some of them sorted out. Lights, these are coming off. That one's coming off, going in the bin. That one's coming off and getting wrapped up super duper safe and put in the shed. Bleed clutch. So I've already topped the fluid up in the clutch, which is full. That's just oil, don't worry about that. I might bleed it off, just make sure it's all the fluid, all the air's out the system. But you can see it's air fed, and there's air leaks, so that might not be helping. Ep.2, yeah, the exhaust pipe. So the exhaust's coming off here, coming down here, and it's going to run straight up into here. Yes. If you look up there, you can see you're getting straight out. So it should still have a really nice Cummins bark, but it sounds really nice and throaty. If you've got a Cummins, you know it's Cummins, and so it should sound good. Just take that little bit of edge off, where it hurts your lugs sometimes. Air tank straps. That one snapped. And you get some of these. I'll show you. That's the new tank strap that I got, which is a Scania one, which fits lovely. I think that's what that one is, but it's snapping as well. I need new brackets, these ones, because they hold onto the chassis. Because this one's rotten, so you can see there's a hole there. That's gone. You can see the rust jacking in there, so I'll get some of them in there. The fuel tank sender, I need to organise one of them. I don't know where I can get one yet, but I've been put in contact with someone who might be able to help me, which is handy. Where else am I? Where am I? Let's have a read through my list. Fuel tank, fuel, sun visor, lights. So yep, back lights and also front lights. That's indicator. So that'll be why my indicators aren't working. Needle gun, which I've just gone over in there, and wash, because she is a bit dirty, but sorry for the minute. So let's just have a quick look around, see if there's anything I've missed. So you can see there's just lots of bits here, everywhere. I'll probably pull all this lot off. All the like the ramps up on the fifth wheel, the sliding fifth wheel, that's going to come off so I can get in. I might need a brake chamber on the front, because this one has got a hole in it because it's rotten. Needs a back plate on it at some point, but it's still back plating for the minute. I need to take these wheels off anyway, because I need to turn them around. They're running backwards at the minute, you can see the arrow, but if I turn these around, they'll be the right way around. So far, let's have a look underneath. Nice and clean under there, nice and clean, no signs of nastiness, which is lovely. I'm going to drain all the tanks off because I don't know if the tanks have been drained. And then, yeah, first job is, well, I don't really have a first job, it's whatever I get done first. I would like the fuel tank on, but I don't know if I'll get the fuel tank on yet because I'm waiting on sender and tank straps. I'll quickly show you the tank. So here's the tank. As you can see, it looks a little bit crusty again because it's been a few days since we blasted it, but it's okay. We're going to get this, I'll put the footage in of needle gunning it and bringing it to the blaster. But the plan is to clean that off with the blaster again so it's nice and clean, no brown, and then we'll just body solder the bottom up here so she doesn't have any pinholes. Yeah. So this is what I mean. If I spin this around, the bottom's looking a bit crusty, a bit tired, but so would you if you've been sitting outside and caked in crap for a lot of years. Sorry for the wind noise. Either paint it red or silver, I don't know. I might actually paint it silver. I think it would look like quite nice with a silver tank on it instead of, I don't want black, I don't like black, and I don't really want a black chassis, but it's staying black for a minute so it's on the road. I think a silver tank might look quite nice. So first job, go get the needle gun, get that to rattle off, see how she fares up. I'll not video it because it'll make a hell of a racket, and the mic really won't like it. So I am actually quite impressed with that. There's a lot, I'm not going to say that, but it's not as bad as I expected it. I did fully expect when I hit it with a needle gun to bray at least 3 or 4 holes in it, considerable size holes as well. But no, she seems to be okay. So I think what I might do is send it into the blaster with that. The blaster will do a better job. There's also a lot more chance of blowing a hole in it. So I really don't know what to do. Really don't know what to do. The plan, which plans are always made to be altered, but whatever. So the plan is just, like I say, make it usable for the minute. I'm not going to worry about painting the chassis. The chassis is going to stay black. Don't like black, but whatever. The fuel tank is going to be silver. I'm going to have a nice silver fuel tank. It's not going to be steel polished. It's going to be nice bright silver, which should be similar as what's on the Volvo front bumper. The plan eventually is the chassis be red. I think the carb will be red as well, eventually, with a white roof, as you can guess where that's come from. But yeah, maybe it's with a bit changes here and there, but very similar to the F7, but on my own lovely ERF. But yeah, so hopefully you're going to join me. I'll jump inside again. I'm never going to get bored of climbing it here at the minute. Stick here and there and close this door. But I'm going to keep you up to date with it. I hope you enjoy the video. One thing I really need to do is wash them mirrors. I can't see bloody nout. So I'm just going to sit back here, pretend I'm driving, toot toot, and all that. And I'm going to keep you updated, keep the content coming for you. I'll try and not make it too in-depth. Sometimes I find that I might go too in-depth, make the videos too long, and then you get bored, which is neat fun. But we can overcome that. I just want to bring you good content. Please let me know what you think of it. Feel free to like and comment and all that stuff. Like I say, it helps me a lot if I know what people like and what people don't like. So please comment, let me know what you think, because I'm not a mind reader. And we'll right now I am gonna go and start cracking on pulling the thing apart, I think. So first job, I'll take the lights off, which I won't film because it's taking lights off. I might film. I'll put that in the next video. Starting work on the F7. Man, that's the F7 over there. Yeah, bugger yeah. Starting work on the ERF. This is just going to be what's to come, what's the plan, what I need to do. So, yeah. Like I say, I know I'm repeating myself again, but I can't get it across enough. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. And I hope to see you soon. And in the next video I'll bring out soon, I will be starting the work. So you can enjoy the journey of restoration and my little project with me. I hope to see you all soon.